Welcome back to Bike Legend Pro. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic touring motorcycles of all time, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. With its perfect blend of power, style and comfort, this bike continues to dominate the roads. Let's break down what makes it special. Powerful performance. At the heart of the 2025 Street Glide is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, delivering raw power and smooth performance. With 103 horsepower and 126 lb-ft of torque, this bike is built for effortless highway cruising. The throttle response is crisp and the refined 6-speed, iconic design and comfort. The Street Glide stays true to its classic bagger styling with the sleek batwing fairing, stretched saddlebags and a commanding stance. The redesigned LED headlamp and turn signals add a modern touch, while the new seat and ergonomics enhance long-distance comfort. The bike's low-slung profile makes it easy to handle, even for riders new to touring. Advanced technology and features. Harley-Davidson has loaded the 2025 Street Glide with next-gen features, including the Boombox GTS infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The new 12.3-inch touchscreen display, integrated navigation, and premium speakers make every ride enjoyable. Plus, the bike now comes with adaptive cruise control and traction management, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. Quality and handling. Heavyweight stature, the Street Glide offers an incredibly balanced ride. The Showa dual-bending valve front suspension and emulsion rear shocks absorb road imperfections with ease. Whether you're on the highway or navigating city streets, this bike provides confidence-inspiring handling and stability. And final verdict. Starting price of around $25,000, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a premium choice for riders who want the perfect mix of performance, luxury, and long-distance capability. If you're looking for a touring bike that stands out in both style and substance, this one's hard to beat. Of the 2025 Street Glide, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic bike reviews. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.